From Digest, tk0j2@mvs.cso.niu.edu, tk0j2@mvs.cso.niu.edu. Computer Underground Digest Sun November 23, 1997 Volume 9, Issue 86 ISSN 104042X. Editor, Jim Thomas, Digest at sun.soci.niu.edu. News Editor, Gordon Meyer, at sun.soci.niu.edu. Archivist, Brandon Kehoe. Shadow Master, Stanton McCandless. Shadow Archivists, Dan Carrison, Paul Southworth. Ralph Sims, Gairki Kuapale. Ian Dickinson. Field Agent Extraordinaire, David Smith. Digest homepage, www.soci.niu.edu/digest. Date, Bud, 19th of November 97, 8:15 and 26 seconds. 08:00 from Gordon R. Meyer. Subject, File 5 FWD, Common Control DLL msie4.0 distribution. Forwarded message follows. Date Tuesday, November 18, 1997 15:24 and 7 seconds. 05:00 from James Love. The following is a letter by Brian Glask, a software developer, to the U.S. DOJ, regarding the Common Control DLL. Microsoft's licensing requires developers who want to distribute this DLL to also distribute msie4.0. The URL for the license is www.microsoft.com. Web link mshtml_licensing. The letter follows. Forwarded by James Love. Subject, Microsoft Antitrust. Date Tuesday, November 18, 1997 11:51 and 37 seconds. 06:00 from Brian Glask. Organization Great Plains Software to Antitrust@husdodge.gov. Joe Eli, Client Assistant Attorney General, Antitrust Division, U.S. Department of Justice, Washington, D.C. Antitrust@husdodge.gov. Dear Mr. Klein, I am writing to ask the Department of Justice, DOJ, to protect consumers by taking action to prevent Microsoft from using anti-competitive practices to monopolize the market for Internet browsers. Specifically, Microsoft should not be permitted to force third-party developers to redistribute Microsoft Internet Explorer in order to use features found in a programming API, application program interface. A specific API shipped originally with the Microsoft Windows 95 OS operating system, and was just recently enhanced with new features that make it attractive for third-party developers to use. This API is known to developers as the Common Control DLL. Because this is an enhancement to the OS that came after the initial release of Microsoft Windows 95, it is necessary for third-party developers to distribute the updated OS components with their software in order to ensure that their software works properly. However, Microsoft is not allowing developers to redistribute only the components that they need. Instead, Microsoft is demanding that Microsoft Internet Explorer 4.0 is distributed with the third-party software. It is the responsibility of DOJ to ensure that Microsoft does not use its OS monopoly to monopolize the market for applications. I believe that forcing third-party developers to distribute Microsoft Internet Explorer is a blatant anti-competitive act. Sincerely, Brian Glask, 1539 14th Street South, Fargo, North Dakota 5810340001, glask@cogs.gps.com. Charles C. Manty, 4132563504F, 4132566619E, ccm@crocker.com. P.O. Box 66, Amherst, Massachusetts 010040066.